Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some of my new unboxing knives. Now this is a special request video. Shout out to everybody that been asking me about the Tiger Tooth and the Spider-Man knife. I promised y'all I was going to make this video, so let's do it. Now all of these knives you can get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from $35 to $50. Now on the side note, this is not the military channel. This ain't the hunting channel. This ain't the survivalist channel. These are not ultra high quality knives. I understand that. These are just cheap knives that look cool, and I got them for one reason and one reason only. Rah! Opening up boxes, and I guarantee you they're all gonna work for that. All right, so let's get right into it. First up, this is from Elite Knives. This is the Huntsman Elite. All right, so let's check this one out. Here we go. Whew. The Tiger Tooth. Now this is basically the same exact one that I've been using, but I wanted a brand new one, so I'm gonna retire this one. Check this out. Has a nice weight on this. It is definitely sharp. Comes with a little keychain also. Nice grippy handle. Rah. You can easily open your boxes with this. And at the end of the video, I'll do a little demo. All right, so this is the Tiger Tooth Huntsman Elite. I am feeling this one. Now also, I'll do a little survey. I'll pin the comment in the comment section. Let me know which one y'all like best, and that's gonna be the one that I use for the next couple of months for my unboxing videos. All right, so it's the Tiger Tooth. Let's keep it pushing. What we got next? All right, another one from Elite Knives. Okay, let's see which one this is. Here we go, Huntsman Elite. What color we got on deck? Woo. Now, I don't know the official name of these. I'll leave it in the description. This is orange. All right, now we gotta figure out a cool name for this. Nice orange pattern on this one. I love the weight on these knives. Now this is full tang. Again, not SWAT team certified. Right? If you want SEAL Team 6, you're gonna want a better knife. But if you're busting open boxes all day, this will get the job done. All right, so far, Tiger Tooth or the orange joint, which one y'all like better? Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got another one from Elite Knives. All right, let's check this one out. All right, here we go. Let that hype build up. Whew. Now check this out. Look at this one. Look at this blade. This kind of black, bluish, green. This kind of looks like something you'll see in one of the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. This one is pretty dope. Yeah, I'm calling this the Jack Sparrow right here. This is dope. This is dope. What y'all think? I know. Let's keep it moving. Whew, now I gotta see. I've never seen this one in person. Yeah, this is dope. This might be the one right here. So far, I like that one the best. Let's keep it moving. One more from the Huntsman series. Okay, now this one actually comes with same thing, keychain. This one actually has a sheath though, and the belt holder. Yeah, you can clip this one on your belt if you want. All right, fade case. Let's take a look at that blade. Whew. The purple joint. Oh, check this one out. This is the Thanos knife right here. You see some hits of purple in the bottom. Again, full tang, nice blade on this one. Nice handle. Now these knives, they're not the cheapest in the world. I mean, definitely not high extra quality, but they're not the cheap garbage though. I mean, these will last you. If you gut and fish and all that, I don't know about that, but for boxes, these are definitely gonna last, because I had this one for over a year, and you see the blade, still sharp, still gets the job done. This one's tough. All right, let's keep it moving. We got a few more. Next up, this is the green. All right, now, I don't even know what company makes this one. Cinema Huntsman. All right, green. Oh, let's do that one more time. Rah. Green, all right. So we got all the colors of the rainbow so far. Let's check this one out. Okay. Now this one comes with a belt holder. Here we go. Uh-oh, check this out. Now it has a little protection on that. A little poison for the trolls, let me say that. This is the Incredible Hulk right here. The green one. This is sick. Nice weight. Basically all the same build. Just different blades. Ooh, this green one is lit though. I don't know. So far I like this green one the best. I like this one. All right, let's keep it moving. I know, I like everything. Let's see what else we got next. All right, so now let's take it over to the red spider. Now, I'm pretty sure this is the same Spider-Man one that I already have. I promised my next door neighbor I'm gonna give him a Spider-Man knife. So hopefully I ordered the same one twice, but let's see. Okay, here we go. Yep, this is the spider. Woo, Spider-Man right here. Now let's see, is this the same brand that I ordered last time? Actually, this one is a different brand, but they both look exactly the same. Look at that red blade. Now this is the one everybody been asking me about. I think this one is 35 bucks. This is pretty sick too. All right, let's keep it moving. We got two more. So far, let me see. Just looking at them lined up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the green as my favorite so far. Let's see what we got next. All right, so next we got the Fangs. This one is called Fangs. All right, let's see what that's all about. Fangs. I like the names, why not? Okay, here we go. This is the Fangs Knife. Now I can already see something. Look at that handle. Very colorful on the handle. Here we go. Look at this. This is like some, oh, check this out. The other side, oh, this is tough. I like this one too. Now, I could just be seeing things, but it kind of looks like, it looked like a shark face at first, but maybe I just looked at it funny. Oh, check this out. This actual, that's teeth. This is the fangs. That's actual teeth embedded into that pattern. Oh, I like this one. I like this one because it's two-tone. So one time I can rock with this side, switch over to the left hand, rock with the other side. This is sick. All right, this is the Fangs. All right, so we got one more. We got the Sapphire. All right, the Sapphire joint. Now this is from, all of these from the same company. I don't know the name. All right, here we go. Let's check this one out. Okay. Uh-oh. Look at that handle. See some midnight blue. All right, here we go. Check this out, y'all. Ooh, this is sick. This is like the same color of my car. I might have to stash this in the trunk. Ooh, this is nice. Yeah, this is definitely nice. I'm feeling this one too. All right, so this is the Sapphire. Now check this out. I did the dummy move. I think I pressed 2 when I was in the checkout cart. I think I pressed 2, so I might have an extra one of these. I'll do a giveaway on my next stream. Yeah, I did the dummy move. Ordering in the middle of the night. Is this the same one? Let's see. Yes, I ordered 2. I like a dumbass. Now, if you notice, the pattern is a little bit different, so it's technically not the identical same, or is it? Let's see. No, it's definitely not identical, but it's the same color. But I'll give one of these away on Sunday night to anybody that's old enough to rock with a knife. Do your thing. All right, so anyway, here's all my new unboxing knives. Let's do a little survey. All right, y'all like the Tiger Tooth Gold? What's orange, man? What can we think of that's orange? I'm having a little brain freeze right now. If y'all think of a dope name for the maybe Orangina, we'll figure this out later. Got the Pirates of the Caribbean, the Thanos Purple, Got the Incredible Hulk. Got the Spider-Man. We got the Fangs. Now, I'm calling this one the official name. The Fangs. I like those teeth right there. Got the Fangs. This is sick right here. And the Blue Beetle. Matter of fact, let me see something real quick. How does this look? Yeah, with the Galaxy Note 9, Dr. Manhattan. All right, so we got a Dr. Manhattan knife. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know which one y'all like best. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize. Alright, so I just remembered one of my favorite orange superheroes from the Fantastic Four, The Thing. Alright, so let's try this one out. Rah! One more. Rah! Works perfectly.